Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful step on how to add borders on text here in Canva. Okay, first is you need to search for Canva in Google Chrome and you will be redirected to here. Okay, let's start the process by selecting text here and next to elements. Let's tap that and then here under default text styles, let's choose this first result and close that by clicking this or this arrow. Okay. So for example, we'll be creating a text. You are doing great. So as you can see, this phrase is a very plain one. And if you want to add an art on this, let's just have to highlight this by right clicking and then dragging. Okay. So once done, you need to tap the icon here, a icon that contains the text color, and then you will be redirected to different colors. As you can see, it has this default colors which contains solid colors, and you can also customize your color if you wanted to. Okay, so let's go with solid colors by selecting blue, aqua blue. Okay, now it turns out to be aqua blue. Let's close this first. And next is if you wanna change this font, just highlight again and then click on this. Here it shows different text styles that you that you prefer, and it has this recommended fonts and recently used and also this textiles. Okay, let's go to this first one. Okay, now it is completely changed. Next is, which is the very important part in this video, let's add a border of this text. Okay, just have to click on this zero letter icon and then click on this three dots for more and then just click this duplicate and it will create a new phrase out of that phrase that we had created. Okay, next is we need to drag this down first. Okay, and then let's create an effect out of this by tapping here. And then it shows different style here. It has this none, shadow, lift, halo, splice, outline, and more. And we are going to select this halo one. And once done, you need to close this and then select another color that will complement to our previous phrase or text. Okay, let's click this A icon again and then select color. So let's go with this black one. And then let's close this. And then let's just drag this to here. And now see the magic. It is now in border text. So isn't it amazing? So has this video helps you? If yes, don't forget to subscribe and click the like button to be updated into our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day everyone.